The following segment is sponsored by Kiss. Spring is in the air. Celebrity nail stylist Julie Kandalec is showing us one of the hottest spring nail trends everyone is loving and how to DIY at home. Julie, welcome to the show.
Hi, and thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to share with you, brand new from Kiss, the Salon Extend LED Soft Gel System. It's so easy now to bring the salon home and update your manicure in minutes. It's the first of its kind for long-lasting salon quality gel nail extensions right at home. These are pre-sculpted, they're pre-polished with the exclusively formulated Kiss Soft Gel adhesive for a weightless, bubble-free, natural nail finish that lasts up to 14 days. The removal is totally mess-free. They come in 18 pre-polished styles, and they are available in different designs, different colors, and different lengths and shape as well. Some major trends that we're seeing are natural tones, a sheer beige, a soft pink, the floral daisy design, which is what I'm currently wearing right now, along with the French tip. I like to mix it up. And also the jelly nails. A pastel is big, along with the jelly, so you have two trends in one. And of course, a long squoval for a shape, and a little glitter ombre tip as well. For more information, you can go to kissusa.com, and these are available in retailers Ulta, Target, CVS, and Walmart.